reset forgotten password in LinkedIn. So if you want to reset your forgotten password in LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And on your browser, you need to search for LinkedIn. After searching, go with login or sign up. And here you need to go with sign in on the top right. You can also continue with your Google, or you can also go with your email. So here you need to enter your email at first, or you can also enter your phone number. But if you don't remember your email or your phone number, then you can go with continue with Google or sign in with Apple. So in my case, I remember the email, so I'll just simply enter the email, or you can also enter your phone number. But if you don't remember your password, if you've forgotten your password and if you want to reset it, then you just need to simply go with forgot password, which is right here. And now enter your email or your phone number and then go with next. Wait for a few seconds, go with start puzzle, and once the verification has been completed, it will send you a 6-digit code to the email address. So you just need to simply go with the Gmail of that mail, and here's your pin of your LinkedIn. So you just need to simply copy this and paste it right here. Go with submit. Once you enter the verification code, now you just need to simply go with verify your identity, or it may directly take you to reset password. In my case, I don't have access to my account, so it gives me these options. I just need to simply verify my account. Once you scan from your mobile device or from your camera, then you'll be able to log into your account. Or if your account has not been temporarily restricted, then it will take you to create password section. You'll be able to create your password and recover your. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.